Welcome all dear student on my YouTube channel. Today we going to learn the mathematics part 1 second topic and name is a real number. माझी आपणा सर्वांना विनंती आहे की आपण चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राइब करा, प्लेलिस्टवर जाऊन पाठीमागील व्हिडिओ पाहून घ्या. So today's first concept is a rational number. Dear student, it is a revision part. Already we know that what is mean by natural number. Set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash. Then whole number, and it is denoting W including with 0 natural number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 said as a set of whole numbers. Then we were learn the concept of integers, and it is said the I all positive, negative with 0. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash. It is said as a integers. हे आपणा सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. And the next concept is the rational number. Already we learn in 8th standard, in 7th standard also. What is mean by rational number? It is the P upon Q set of all element of P upon Q such that P and Q are the element of I and Q not equal to 0. Dear student, just we take an example. P and Q, any integer. Integer means what? Positive, negative, all numbers. Suppose 5 upon 3, -7 upon 3, 0 upon 5 also, not 5 upon 0. Q is non-zero number, remember that. And R is the set of all real numbers. हे सगळं आपण पूर्वी शिकलोय. So just we taking a revision of that. It is said as a set of real number. Now we are going to present by Venn diagrams. Just we know that Venn diagram means what? Any closed shape figure for each number system, and inside it brings the natural number first, 1, 2, 3 added with 0, integer with negative numbers added in that, and the last one is a Q. Q means is a rational number. सगळे अपूर्णांक, डेसिमल, फ्रॅक्शन सगळे त्यामध्ये येणार. and the set of all numbers, it is said as a real number. Last one is a real number. So student, it is a presentation of Venn diagram of all number system. Now look at here, n is the subset of W means whole number. It is subset of I, it is subset of Q, it is subset of R. Means R is here universal set. R is said as a universal set. Student, now we are taking a revision of rational number, and the concept is a comparison of two rational number. How compare? Suppose first number is P upon Q and second number is R upon S. It is the any rational number where Q and S is a non-zero number, means Q and S not equal to 0. So first rule is what? Already आपण शिकलोय, लक्षात घ्या. Just we are going to multiply P into S, means P is said as a first, second, third and fourth. So multiplication of first and fourth always, remember that. And it is exactly equal to Q into R. Then we said that equal rational number P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Dear students, second rule is what? P into S is greater than Q into R. Then automatically what is become? Second rational number is smaller than first rational number. And third rule is what? Suppose P into S is smaller than Q into R. Means let's hear, second rational number is larger than first rational number. मला वाटतं हे तुम्हाला रूल समजले असतील. इट इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रूल. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. नाव जस्ट वी टेक एक्झाम्पल टू क्लिअर द कन्सेप्ट. So 5 upon 3 and second is the 7 upon 2. So what is the first? First we going to multiply 5 into 2 and 3 into 7. It will become 10 and 21. Now we are going to compare. So after comparison 10 will be smaller than 21. So first rational number is smaller than second. 5 upon 3 is smaller than 7 upon 2. तर तुम्हाला हे उदाहरण समजलं असेल. देन वी आर टेकिंग अ सेकंड एक्झाम्पल अँड इन दॅट एक्झाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग टू रॅशनल नंबर. सपोज 10 upon 7 and 5 upon 4. So just we are compare that. Now we are going to multiply first and fourth. It will become 40. 4 into 10 and 7 into 5, it will become 35. Now compare that. 40 is exactly greater than 35. So means what? 10 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 4. पहिला नंबर मोठा म्हणून रॅशनल नंबर पण पहिलाच मोठा येणार. Now we are taking third example. In that example just we take 5 upon 3 and 15 upon 9. After cross multiplication first and fourth, 5 into 9 it will become 45. 3 into 15 it will become also 45. 45 is equal to 45. So now we are going to compare. This is the equal sign, means what? Given two rational number also equal. Dear student, now we see the properties of rational number. First for addition and second for multiplication. Student, look at here. I am taking, suppose ABC is a rational number and it is for now addition. Just first take example. Suppose we take two rational number 3 and 2. Very simple. 3 and 2 and we are going to add 3 plus 2 5 or 2 plus 3 it is also 5. Means what? क्रम तुम्ही कसाही बेरजत घेतला तरी व्हॅल्यू डझंट चेंज. दॅट मीन्स व्हॉट? A plus B is equal to B plus A. I am writing here ABC is any rational number. I am just take first example and after taking example I am writing the property. Okay. It is said as a commutative property. Commutative for addition. Okay. Now look at here. I'm taking now three rational number and it is the, suppose 3, this is the example for. Now I'm taking three rational number and I'm going to add them. Okay. So 5 plus 3 plus 2. तर आपण काय करतो या ठिकाणी? Just we make the add 5 plus 3 and it will become 8 and plus 2 it will become 10. Otherwise आपण असंही करू शकतो 3 plus 2 and add into 5 means what? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. But there is no matter आपण कोणती बेरीज आधी करायची हा मॅटर करत नाही. तुम्ही कोणत्याही दोन संख्येची बेरीज करून तिसऱ्यात ऍड करू शकता. दॅट सेड ॲज अ असोसिएटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी. तर मला वाटतं तुम्हाला ही प्रॉपर्टी समज. नाव आय एम टेकिंग थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. सपोज द 5. तर यामध्ये मी किती मिसळू तेव्हा याची व्हॅल्यू बदलणार नाही. दॅट नंबर इज सेड ॲज द 0. If you are added 0 then value doesn't change. So it is 0 is said as a additive identity and the rule is makes A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Means value doesn't change. Why? Because we are added 0. So 0 said additive identity. It is said as an identity. Remember that. Now last property is also according to your identity. आता समजा 5 आहे, याच्यामध्ये मी किती मिसळू त्यावेळेला आपली आयडेंटिटी मिळेल. आयडेंटिटी मीन्स व्हॉट, 0 मिळेल मला. 5 मध्ये किती मिसळावं. सो आय थिंक इट्स इनवर्स नंबर मीन्स 5. ओके, सो फॉर वी यूजिंग फॉर a plus minus a, it will become identity. So that minus a said as the additive inverse. Remember that. It is said additive inverse. तर तुम्हाला ह्या प्रॉपर्टी समजल्या असतील. That property applied for addition. Now we are going to learn for multiplication. So now first property like same for addition. Okay, I am taking two rational number. 3 into 2 it will become 6, or 2 into 3 it also becomes 6. Means what, इथे पण क्रम मॅटर करत नाही. ऑर्डर डझंट मॅटर. a into b is equal to b into a. It is said as the what? It said commutative property for multiplication, that for addition. Dear student, same to same property is applied for addition as well as multiplication. Now we are going to learn for 3 number. I am taking 3, 2 and 4. तर आपण कसा गुणाकार करणार. 3 into 2 it will become 6. 6 into 4 it will become 24. or तुम्ही कसा करू शकता, आणखीन एका प्रकारे करू शकता. 3 into 2 into 4 असेल तर आपण अगोदर 2 into 4 into 3 it will become also 24. Now so applied for a b c, just we make a into b into c, or a into in bracket b into c. That rule also said it is called the associative property for multiplication. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ह्या दोन्ही प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हाला कळल्या असतील. नाउ वी वॉचिंग द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी अँड इट इज सेड ॲज द अल्सो आयडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी. आता 5ला कोणत्या संख्येने गुणू त्यावेळेला किंमत बदलणार नाही. मागच्या वेळेला ॲड केला होता आणि आठवते का बघा, 5 + 0 केला. आता इथं मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आहे. सो कोणता नंबर असेल, आय थिंक इट इज द 1. सो 1 इज सेड ॲज अ multiplicative identity. Remember that. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5, or 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So we make property a into 1 is equal to a, or 1 into a is equal to also a. That 1 is said as the multiplicative identity. And the last property, it is said as the inverse property. It's like that same. आता 5ला मी कितीने गुणू त्यावेळेला आयडेंटिटी मला मिळेल. आयडेंटिटी काय आपली, अँड आवर आयडेंटिटी इज द 1. सो आय एम गोइंग टू विच नंबर टू 5, दॅट नंबर विल गेट 1. लाईक दॅट. आपण तिथे आठवतं का तुम्हाला, 5 + -5 केला. सो आयडेंटिटी 0 होती म्हणून आयडेंटिटी 0 मिळाली. तर त्याला आपण इनवर्स नंबर म्हटलं. तर या ठिकाणी असा कोणता नंबर मिळेल आपल्याला, आय थिंक तो मिळण्याकरता आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, 1/5 करावं लागेल. 5 गेट कॅन्सल, इट विल बिकम ओनली 1. सो मीन्स वॉट, a into 1/a is said as equal to 1. That 1/a is called multiplicative inverse. Remember that. And it is said as the multiplicative inverse property. आणि ती आपल्याकरता फार महत्त्वाची आहे. तर ही तुम्हाला समजली असेल. तर आपण पुढे जाऊया. नाव लुक एट हिअर. दिस इज द, हा सगळा एकत्रित केलेला टेबल पाहू शकता आपण. कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ फॉर ॲडिशन मल्टिप्लिकेशन, असोसिएटिव्ह मल्टिप्लिकेशन ॲडिशन, आयडेंटिटी ॲडिशन मल्टिप्लिकेशन, अँड इनवर्स फॉर ॲडिशन अँड मल्टिप्लिकेशन. सो डिअर स्टुडंट, हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू. Thank you once again.